Welcome back to the channel. In today's show you how to fix a common Android issue where your phone appears to have duplicate apps. If you're seeing the same app twice on your home screen or even inside your app drawer, don't worry. This is usually caused by shortcuts or app cloning features. Method 1. Remove duplicate app shortcuts. Sometimes the app is not actually duplicated. It's just a shortcut created on your home screen. Long press the duplicate app icon you want to remove. A menu will appear on your screen. Tap remove or uninstall depending on your device option. Important note, if you choose remove, the icon will only disappear from your home screen, but the app will still remain in your app drawer. If you select uninstall, it will completely remove the app from your device. This method is the easiest way to clean up clutter without affecting your real installed apps. Method 2. Turn off dual messenger cloned apps. Feature: if you notice two copies of apps like WhatsApp, Facebook or Messenger, your phone may be using Samsung's dual messenger or app cloning feature. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Advanced Features. Select Dual Messenger. Find the duplicated app, toggle the switch off. Confirm by tapping uninstall when prompted. This will safely remove the cloned version while keeping your original app untouched. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more easy Android tips and tricks. See you in the next video.